Today, I'm not giving you a 21-day challenge, not a 90-day plan, and definitely not a motivational speech that makes you feel good and changes nothing. This is for people who are ready to be honest with themselves, even for just one day. Because the truth is, your life isn't stuck because you're weak. Your life is stuck because you've been lying to yourself. Let's fix that today. Step 1. Choose one day, just one day. Put your phone aside, stop scrolling. Don't watch TV shows, just you and your mind. And understand this up front, this day will feel uncomfortable. You'll want to pick up your phone again and again. You'll tell yourself just 1 minute, just one message. And that moment is the most important one. Because when the noise stops, everything you avoid every day comes to the surface. Those thoughts, those feelings, the ones you usually run away from. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Stand in front of the mirror. No music, no positive affirmations. Just look at yourself and ask one question. What am I trying to become? You don't need to say the answer. You need to feel it. It will feel awkward. It will feel heavy. But that feeling tells you where you're compromising with yourself. Because until you're honest with yourself, no system and no motivation will work. Step 3. Take a notebook and write down just one thing you know you're avoiding. It could be a habit or a decision you keep pushing to tomorrow. Now pause the video and write in the comment section, I am avoiding. Example, I am avoiding my diet plan. I am avoiding my study routine. This doesn't solve the problem, but it makes you accept it. And once you accept it, you stop ignoring it. That's where change begins. Step 4, set a 60-minute timer. Reserve this 1 hour only for yourself. First 20 minutes, body do something physical. Walk, stretch, push-ups, stairs. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be movement. Next 20 minutes, mind write whatever is going on inside. Overthinking, fear, anger, confusion, everything. Write it down. It lightens your mind. Last 20 minutes, stillness. Just sit. Keep your phone away. Don't try to prove anything. In this silence, you'll notice you're not too busy. You're disconnected. And this is where clarity starts. Step 5. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror one last time. No questions, no motivational lines. Just say to yourself, today I didn't run. It wasn't a perfect day, but it was a real day. And most people live their entire lives without even one real day. That's how people wake up at 30, 40, 50, confused, tired, and blaming luck. One day won't fix your whole life, but one day can introduce you to your real self. And once you meet your real self, your direction starts becoming clear. If this video pushed you to create real change inside, don't scroll. Pick the day, write it down, and don't negotiate with yourself.